Yeah, for those
Yes, sir. What?
uh, who are not able to join, for them I have started the recording. We haven't played any move yet. This is the starting point where we left from last session. Now it is Black's turn. Tejas team, play. Even white side also think, because there are many combinations here. Anything. If you want, I can show you those combinations.
You can, as if it didn't.
Where is
Yes, come on. There
the timer for this?
Kavin, no timer, no timer. Kavin and Daria. Come on. One of you, please tell me the move.
Sir, Kanushka is dead.
Tanushka is back. So Tanushka is captain today.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And you are playing for black. Kindly switch on your camera.
Sir, today the network is not good,
Oh,
so I have
oh.
not switched on the
Okay, okay,
camera.
okay, okay, okay. But now your move.
So what you said?
So all three of you, you tell me all your moves, all three of you. Then I will tell you which move is better among you three. And what should be the real move, that also I will tell you. So all three of you start telling me. Don't waste time. Come on, Kanishka, you tell me first.
Sir, the queen should go to f7.
Queen to f7. This will kill.
Queen to D7. Sir, yes, sir. Queen to D7.
There is variations. What about Kavin? What's your opinion? Kavin?
Sir, I have one more.
Yes?
Sir, Queen to E8.
So these three are your moves. Right? Now, out of these three moves, out of these three moves, Yeah, this move or this move, both are good. Even this all
Sir, I
yeah. This is bad move.
C7.
Yeah, this is bad move. This move is bad. But this move and this move both are okay. So now Kanushka, you take your decision. This is also good. This is also good. Come on, Kanushka. Come on, Kanushka.
Sir, queen to d7.
D7. So we will go with this. Everybody, we are going with this. But now I will tell you what are other combinations. Everybody pay attention. Not many combinations here. Please, please pay attention. Dhairya, please pay attention. Here, look, queen is able to kill this. But this is supported. So that means queen takes knight, bishop. Knight takes queen. But knight is pinned. So when knight takes queen, this bishop will take queen. So queen ko queen equal away. It is a equalizer. You understand? And then it is white's turn. White can take this over here. That means what? Black is losing this and this. And white is losing this and this. So it is equal. Are you getting it? So this could be your way. Or another way is you take this first. Take this first. Now attack. Now support is gone. So now white has to take this. Compulsory. Then black will take this. Force. Then white will take this. Black will take this. अभी ये जा रहा है. White will save. Black will take this. Attacking this and attacking this. This will take this. Saving rook. Then this will take this. So here again 4 versus 4. But black has more pawns and white is losing pawn. White is 1, 2 pawn less. You understand? In fact, यहाँ पर ये भी नहीं लेगा. This is also not good. This is good. Still attack on this. So if this takes, then this takes, then this takes. Then this over here. 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 हाँ अभी ये नहीं ला सकता ये इधर आ जाएगा. So many things. So this can be coming over here. So this is how the game can continue. If at all you take black takes this over here first. I will go to our original position. So black has this chance, very clear. It is better instead of going somewhere. Already you have attack on this. You understood? But what you chose is here, right? It is now white's move. Shri Kirtan. Your team.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your team. Look out.
Bishop h4.
Hmm?
Bishop h4 for
Bishop. This bishop.
No,
Where?
sir. Not bishop h4. Knight d5.
I am not getting
Knight d5, sir. Knight d5.
knight d5. That is what you think. Your team members. Okay, it is your turn. Any team member want to do anything else? Team members. Artej, Anushka, Ishan.
Third,
Queen D2.
Queen d2. Wow, who said that?
Sir,
Anushka.
Avni. Wow, Avni. Avni said this. Quite good. Let us see. Your captain said this. That is what you are saving your knight. Perfect. And Avni is saying same thing. You are saving knight, supporting this, and now coming out of the pin. That is also very important. This is the pin, and you are moving over here. That means you are coming out of the pin. So that's again a good move. Both are good. Anybody else?
Sir, Queen E1.
What even? Queen even.
Yes, sir.
Queen even is also doing the same thing, coming out of the pin, and supporting this. So both are equal, but here it is supporting this also. And when the queen is over here, it is little different. It is this attack is there. So bishop takes knight, pawn takes knight, and queen takes pawn. So you get pawn extra. That is one possibility. Here it is not possible. When the queen comes over here, it is not possible. Anybody else?
third,
Sir,
third,
sir,
Yes, yes, yes.
sir, pawn to H2, H3.
Pawn to h3. Attacking this. Okay. Fine. Not.
Sir, but I did not say the move, sir.
No. We haven't taken the decision for your team. I am just looking
Okay,
at
sir.
the different moves everybody is suggesting. So I will choose
Okay,
the
sir. I got locked out due to internet problems.
okay, okay. So you know now this move you suggested this, somebody suggested this, somebody
Yes,
suggested,
sir.
and now somebody suggested this. Four moves have been suggested. So
Yes, sir.
it is your choice. I don't feel this move is better. This move is not better. But all these three moves could be good. So if you want to take any one of this move, choose it.
third.
Yes.
What about bishop takes rook?
Perfect. Anushka is much better because bishop is getting the rook, 5-pointer getting 3-pointer, getting 5-point. Fantastic. All the time I am saying you, look out what you are getting and look out what you are losing.
Sir, we get only 2 points. We lose 3 points from 5 points, so we get only 2 points. So what's the use in 2 points?
Why not? Why not? Use of 1 point is also there. There is no question. Here you are getting 5-pointer piece and you are not, you are losing over here, this 3 points. That is okay, but further you are not losing anything and you can come back again safely. So
Yes, sir.
this is the correct move. Absolutely correct.
Okay, sir, then taking rook, bishop takes rook.
Yeah, correct. It is black's turn. Now black has got multiple choice. Taking this 3 points only. Taking this 3 point only, or with rook also 3 point only. Or this, or this. Multiple choice. this choice is bad. Taking pawn is bad because why bad? Because you have already lost one rook. So some compensation has to be there. Tejas is not there today.
No, sir. Sir, from Tejas team only Kanushka,
Then Kanushka is there, Kavin is there, and
Kanushka, Kavin and
Daria.
Delia are there. Only these three people are there.
Hans
From
also.
Tejas team.
Yeah, Hans been here.
And all the members of my team are there.
Yeah, good. Come on, Kanushka and Daria and Kavin.
No, sir, not all members.
What is
Not all members, sir. Manisha is not there.
Sir, the rook takes the bishop.
Sir,
Yes, Daria.
sir, that the knight kills two bishop.
Okay.
C6, knight to
Okay.
D8.
That is what Daria says.
Yes,
What
sir.
about Kanushka and what about Kavin?
Here and then horse can go.
Kavin and Kanushka. Come on.
Sir, the rook takes the bishop.
Rook takes the bishop. Okay. Now Kavin, what do you think?
So, what if the king can take the bishop?
Wow. King can take the bishop. Okay. So out of this, I feel this is good because then the rook is mobilizing. So this pawn can come over here. This pawn takes the pawn. So this is good. Supporting the pawn on this side is good. So you go for this move only. Perfect. White to play.
Sir, can I suggest?
Yeah, it is now next is Avni or Hartej will tell first. Because you are the captain, you should see what everybody is saying. Your word will be the last word.
Sir.
So everybody's move has got some merit and demerits. So you have to analyze all those merits and demerits. At the same time, you should think about your own move also.
Sir, queen D2.
Queen D2. Okay. Anushka. Kavin.
Attend daddy. Sir,
Yes, yes,
Sir, can I suggest?
yes.
sir,
Yes, yes.
knight B5.
To B5.
Yes, sir. It was my suggestion. Knight b4.
Not bad. Attacking the bishop. Attacking the bishop.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Anybody else?
Bishop to the pawn.
Yeah, anybody else? Anybody else? So I will have to go with this move only then. Nobody is suggesting. This is a good move, not bad. Attacking this. So we'll go with this. Now I will tell you what was the correct move. First of all, this is very good, important move. Number one. No, sorry, it was the white's turn. No, sorry, white's turn. White means you have to take this only. Very, very important. This pawn. Because if you keep your queen under the pin, that is very bad. You cannot use this knight. You cannot use it. And if you come over here, what will happen? This will take. You will take, but there will be a double pawn and this entire line you are exposed. Very bad. So this can come over here. Everything is now you're trapped inside. So this can come over here. Or whatever you play, this can come over here. And then this can come over here. Then this here. Likewise, many things can happen. Many things can happen. So this is very bad from white side that you are keeping your queen under pressure. At the same time, you are losing this. So what is to be done? Better
Sir,
you attack this.
white h3.
No. This move is also good. This move is also good. Here. ये भी मर रहा है ना यहाँ पर ये भी आपको बचाना है. So this move is good. This move is good. Come on, let us go with this move. Otherwise, मैंने जो बोला था वो move में थोड़ा सा तकलीफ है. If you do this, this will take. Then you have to take, and then white is losing this. Bad for white. So this move is bad for white. Better is you save this move and attack the bishop. That was correct move. Absolutely yes.
So you did not move the knight.
No, अभी black की चाल क्या थी ये ना? Yeah, knight. Sorry. Yes. Now it is black's turn. Black is losing this. Black is losing this. Black is losing this. Losing attack on here, attack on here. So many attacks are there. Now, this also. You think what exactly you are losing, and if really you are losing something, then you have to save it. If you are not losing anything, that means all those pieces I have shown, they have the support. Then you have to ignore all those attacks and start looking out what you are getting. Yes.
Sir, that C6 knight to B4.
Knight to b4. This knight to b4. This will get killed. Why? Knight to b4. That means this will get killed. Very bad. Oh, you have attack on this already. So you better have to save this or not. That is what you have to think. If white knight takes this, your knight also can come over here. It's a good center position. So you did not have to worry here. What you have to
Sir?
worry is this. Yes.
A bishop takes the knight in f3.
Bishop takes
Sir,
knight
to
e6.
e4 pawn. Sir, kill it.
E4 pawn. You can take e4 pawn. It's black's turn. No? You can take e4 pawn.
Pawn to e4 pawn.
This, no? Pawn takes pawn.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a good move.
Sir, but then that white can also kill us.
Yes, white can kill, but what you are getting is you are getting an open file. I have
Yes,
taught you
sir.
about that. Open file is very important, which you can grab with your rook.
Yes, sir.
So you get lot of good openings. So this is a good move.
Yes.
So you have played that. Come on, that's it. It is black's turn. Sorry, white's turn. Now white is losing this.
Sir,
Yes, Ishan.
sir, knight,
Pawn
white knight
takes
to the
c4.
D4.
D3 takes E4. That is the right move. Otherwise, you are losing this. You cannot move this horse because queen is in problem. Queen is in problem.
Sir,
No movement to horse. So only thing is that you have to kill this. That's right. That's right. Perfect. Black to move. Come on, black to move. Come on,
The
Kavin.
bishop takes the knight in f3.
Huh?
No, sir.
This over here.
You can go to f8 rook.
Here.
Sir, the
Sir, I am telling that d8 rook to f8.
Acha, acha, it is black's turn. Na? Yeah, this over here. This over here. Okay, anybody else? Kanushka and Kavin.
sir, if the bishop takes the pawn,
This bishop takes the pawn.
yes, sir.
It is amply supported by this and this. Two supports are there.
Okay.
Nothing will happen. Bolo, bolo. Jaldi. Or I will seal this move. This is a good move.
Sir, that is less than a minute. Can you save this? That's less than a minute remaining now for this meeting to end.
Okay, then everybody has to join again.
Yes, sir.
I will do this move. for black,
Yes.
and then it is white's turn. I will stop here and I will rejoin. Everybody rejoin, please. Everybody.